In this video, we'll discuss how to make a survey using Google Forms. I've opened up a new window and it is at Google. If I have already logged into my email, you'll see it will say plus Maria, or you'll notice that all of this stuff shows up and maybe your icon is here. So I'm going to click on the box of boxes and click on Drive. Now I could have also gotten here by simply typing drive.google.com. It really is up to you how you get there. So the first step is to click on Create and then head down to Form. And this will open a completely blank form. So the first step is in the upper left. We're going to give your form a title. So in this instance, I'll just call it Demonstration. And I'll click OK. And you'll notice that it now also placed the title here. The other thing you need to now look at is, are only South Vermilion employees or students taking this survey? If the answer is yes, you can keep this checked, as it requires them to be logged in to take the survey. If anyone outside of the corporation is taking this, you'll want to unclick and say OK, and now anyone has access to it. So let's look at doing a question. I have several choices. If I click here, I can do a text, which might be a word or two, paragraph, which of course could be a full paragraph, quite a bit of text, multiple choice, check boxes. That's where they can check more than one answer if it applies. They can choose from a list that you provide, and you can even do the scale from 1 to 5 or 1 to 4, however you prefer. So we'll start with a text question. And you would make sure that that's there. The answer will show up here. The first thing I always do then before I click done is require the question. Otherwise they can skip questions in your survey, which will leave your data completely not consistent. So let's click on done, and there's my first question. Now I'll add another question by clicking on add item. And now I can put yes, no, and you can put multiple options, and you can even put add other. So if I click there, it automatically puts the box there for me. I don't have to do anything. Again, I'm going to click on required question and then done. And I'll do one more just to show. How about we do the scale? Let's do agree, was the week off for break. Let's do the week off was great. And now I'm going to click required question and say done. And so now I have my questions. The good thing about Google is you do not have to click on save or anything like that. So let's just go out and see what it looks like. I'll click on view live form. And then you'll see instantly what it is that you just created. So if it looks great, you're good to go. So let's go back and set up your responses. So I'm going to go over to the tab on the left, which is where my work is, and I'm going to click on responses. And now I am going to click on view responses, or I have mine set up to always have the destination be an Excel spreadsheet. So I'm going to click on that so that it looks like what you might see. So if you went up there, and now you can name this spreadsheet something specific if you want. What I did, because I like my responses to always be in a spreadsheet, I just clicked this box. So I'm going to click on Create. And now in my Google Drive is a spreadsheet also named demonstration, but it has responses after it. So if that is ready to go, let's head back over to the right and click on demonstration and grab this link. So now this is the link for your survey. Now you could put it in an email as a hyperlink. You can also make a shorter link if you would like, and I'll show you how to do it really quick. I'll open a new tab, and I'm going to goo.gl, and then tap enter. And this will take that huge, long hyperlink to something smaller, which would be manageable if you're just giving the students the link or teachers a link rather than hyperlinking. So I'm going to paste here, click shorten URL, and there it is. And now I can go ahead and copy that link.